Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be starting Unit 7 in our book English in Action 2. And here we can see the title. We say eating out. And eating out means going out to eat at a restaurant. And here we have the caption. Okay? And the caption explains what is happening in the picture. So let's read the caption. In different countries, people follow different rules when they eat. In your country, is it acceptable to eat with your hands? Okay, acceptable means, is it okay to eat with your hands? So in America, maybe you've eaten pizza or sandwiches. So those are acceptable foods to eat with your hands. What about you? Do you like eating out? I love eating out. I love going to different restaurants. My son's favorite restaurant is Olive Garden. I love many different kinds of restaurants. I love going to eat Thai food. I love Chinese food. I love Japanese food. I basically like any kind of ethnic food. Ethnic means from different countries, like Thai food or Greek food, that kind of thing. So let's look at all the seafood. Look at all the seafood there. We have prawns or shrimp. Shrimp is the smaller version of prawns. We have clams. We have mussels. Here we have oysters, all different kinds of shellfish. You see the shell here, that hard surface there? I don't like shellfish. What about you? Do you like shellfish? I'm not a big shellfish fan. All right, guys, so let's go to the next page. This was page 121. You see the bottom right-hand corner. And on the next page, we have a dictionary here. We have some vocabulary words, okay? Let's go over the pronunciation of these. We have carry, cook, eat, greet, make, order, pay, pour, serve, talk to, wear, and wipe. Okay, this page is talking about working at a restaurant. So these verbs we might see or we might use at a restaurant. Okay. And let's look at exercise B together. We'll go over those, and this will help you also with understanding the verbs if you don't know some of these. All right, so here we have the manager. The manager is greeting customers. And as you can see, we're still continuing with this present continuous verb tense, okay? Using the be verb and then the ing verb. So we're going to change all of these to ing verbs, and we're going to also remember to be careful with spelling. Okay, remember guys, at the back of your book on page 252, there's that rule, the spelling rules for present continuous tense, okay? Number 2, he is wiping the table. Be careful here of the spelling. Remember that spelling rule with the E on the end of the short verbs. We need to take away the E, remove the E. Okay, so he is wiping the table. Number 3, the manager is talking to the employees. And when we use talk, we often use to with it. Same as listen. I am listening to the teacher. He is talking to the employees. Number 4, they are making coffee. Again, be careful of the spelling. We have make here. How would we spell making? Take away the E. Number 5, they are serving customers. You see, they have the food here. They are bringing the food to the customers. They are serving the customers. There's serve. And again, be careful of that E. Remove it or take it away before you add the ing. Number 6, they are wearing uniforms. The verb here is wear. They are wearing uniforms. Number 7, he is ordering a sandwich. Okay, he's telling her what he wants to eat. He is ordering a sandwich. Number 8, he is paying a cashier. He is giving money to the cashier. He is paying a cashier. Number 9, what do you think? What's he doing? He is eating a hamburger, right there, E-A-T-I-N-G. Number 10, she is pouring some coffee. We pour liquids. Where is it? Right here, P-O-U-R. I am pouring coffee. I am pouring tea. He is pouring water. So you see the liquid is going into the glass. She is pouring coffee. Number 11, she is cooking eggs. And number 12, she is carrying her tray of food. You see the tray there? That's the tray. She is carrying her tray of food. All right, so that was page 122. Let's go on to page 123. I just want to explain some of these nouns here on page 123. Can you repeat after me? Cash register, cashier, counter, customers, in line, menu. Okay, so here's the cash register. Here's the cashier. Here's the counter. You see he's leaning on the counter. Of course, these are the customers. They are waiting in line. You see 1, 2, 3, they are waiting in line. And then maybe this is the menu here with the list of food. Okay, so you're gonna have to go ahead and if you do this exercise here, you're gonna listen and then write in the correct verbs there on page 123. Let's go to the listening. If you can turn to page 132, we're gonna do this listening exercise. Where is this? This is a restaurant called Coffee to Go, okay? And maybe it's a restaurant, maybe it's a coffee shop. You're gonna do this exercise here and fill in the names or label the names. You see here, listen and label the people in the picture. I'm just gonna go over these names here. We have Harry, Jess, Kate, Mary, Mr. Lopez, Patricia, Pete, Scott, Sherry, and Vera. So you're gonna look at the picture and listen, what are they doing? And then you're gonna write or label the names here, right? For example, he is wiping the table. Who is it? So listen for his name and write his name there. All right, thank you guys. Good luck.